Hey guys, you might remember this place from the outside video and getting chased by Nugget. But today, we're gonna do something more different. So today, we're in Poppy Playtime. Now let's go. It's pretty dangerous out here. I wonder who's looking. So guys, we're in Poppy Playtime. So let's go. So yeah guys, today we're in Poppy Playtime. I should probably be a little quiet cause yeah, we have Huggy Wuggies here. Alright guys, so we're gonna walk. Hopefully there's no Huggy Wuggy. So guys, I think we're gonna go down this path. So I'll cut. Alright guys, I'm actually gonna walk back now. So it's gonna take a pretty much while to walk. So yeah, I'll cut. And boom, we're here. So guys, I wonder where Huggy Wuggy is. Huh? Guys, I think we lost him. Huh? Oh no. Guys, I think I saw something. Let's just go and see what it was, if it was even anything. Okay, so wait, did I see something? It's weird. Huh? I have felt something furry on me. Oh guys, I don't think I should be here.